Alrighty guys, today in the shop, one of our jobs we got in, well yesterday, he special ordered a Pioneer AVH-P2300. We're going to be installing on this 2007 Ford Mustang Rouch edition. Let's go look at the equipment. Okay guys, this right here is the unit right here we're going to be putting in with all the options, and then we're going to be using the bypass off of the amplifier trigger. This one's also got the MATCO system in there, so we're going to be using the harness for that as well for him to integrate into the Pioneer, into the factory sound system that has the amplifiers on it. Okay, let's get to it. Alrighty guys, we're all done. Alright. There she is. It's bypass, but it's nice clean little unit. Customers should love it.
So what, we get drunk, so what, we don't sleep.
Okay guys, let's give it to him.